Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the properties of KMF. Now, in previous lecture, we have the SOAP equation and we have to construct the KMF. Now, here, now we are uh, learning the properties. First property is pair. Now, this in this property pair, I will have the 1 1 here and 0 0 0 0 0 0 here. So what should be the prime implicates? We can group these twos adjacent to adjacent ones. So here this is the pair, horizontal or vertically or horizontally. If adjacent ones are considered, it you may pair the you may groups the pair. Uh, Now y is therefore equal to, what should be the y? Here b and b bar, b bar and b, a bar and a. So a will be the common. So a will be the common. So I will write a here, and in this case, beyond this or at the top or at the bottom there is no ones. So I will write c. I will write c. So this is the simple equation, that is fundamental equation for the pairs. So in a such way we can group, we can pair the groups. So in the another property we will have quads or group of fours. So here this is the 1 1 1 1. So there is no any ones at the top and there is no any adjacent to this one, adjacent to these ones. So I will draw in circle these four ones, and therefore it forms a group of, so y is equal to SOAP equation or fundamental or prime implicates, y is equal to, here a bar b is there. So here a bar b, and there is no any term any ones at the top or at the bottom, only we are considering sideways. So a bar to b, a bar b is therefore the the equation for the this particular group. And another example, this one. Now I will have the example 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is the example. Now we have to construct the SOAP equation. Here I will write y is equal to, therefore consider this pair and this pair. So in this case here a and a bar is the common, a bar is the common one. So here a bar b and a bar b bar and a bar b. So a bar is the common, plus here c into which one is common here? C common here. So these are the this is an example which will give you a very simple and logical equation for the groups. So a bar into c is the output value or prime implicates. So while solving all these things, we are considering, if you group the four ones, we will have the short answer. So now take this example of octet. Octet means group of 8 ones. So I will encircle this one. So this is the group of 8s. Sorry. Here this is the a pair of 8 ones. So at the top there is no any ones, and at the bottom also there is no any ones. At the sidewise I will consider. So y is equal to here b is the common. B is the common. So b common. So I will write b here, and here there is no any there are no any ones, and here also there are no ones, so I will consider only the common B. So as large as possible we have to group the ones. So here this is a octet, and therefore the prime factor, prime implicate, that is y is equal to B. Now this is about the octet, that is pairs, quads and octets, after considering the example. Or now overlapping of the groups. So how groups are overlap? I will have this K-map, and I will group these fours first, because our rule is that bring the group as large as possible. So this is fours or quad, and this is another group. So here overlapping may be considered. So this is overlap to this group, and this one is overlap to another group. So this is overlapping. So how we can find out the y or prime implicates? So y is equal to, see this here in this case, which will be the common? So A be the common. So A be the common here, and here if A is a common, and we can have now this one. So here C, CD and CD bar. So C is the common, C be the common, plus this one. So in this case, if we look the top wise, CD is there, CD bar is there, and here in this case B here. So B is the common, and C D bar will be the at the top of this row. So this is the prime implicate equation, or we have the fundamental product or output of this equation. So in this way the groups, overlapping of the groups, and how to solve these groups. Now next example, ruling of the groups. Fifth rule, ruling of groups. So I will erase this one. Now how the ruling is possible in this group? I will draw the diagram K-map. So see here A bar, B bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, and AB bar. So while writing these terms, it will according to the sequence is actually according to the gray code, not binary code. So here again C bar, D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. So we have the 1 1 here and 1 1 here, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 0. So if we look at this K-map, if we fold this one, if we round this, then we will have these continuous. These are continuous. So I will draw the like this. So for prime location, prime implicates or fundamental equation, we will have this one. So in this column I will have common A bar, here A bar also, here also A bar. So A bar will be the common, A bar. Now in this way we can consider this and this. So D bar is common here. So A bar and D bar will be the equation for the this particular example of ruling of groups. Now we will have one example. Now consider this example. We have the simplify the K-map and draw logic circuit. So remember, we have to in short we have to find out the SOAP equation and then build a circuit accordingly. So this is the so here C bar D bar, C bar D, CD, CD bar. So here A bar B bar, A bar B, A B and A B bar. So in an example 0 0 0 0 are there, 1 1 0 1 is there, 1 1 again 0 1 is there, and 0 0 0 0. So here are also the if you look at this ones, it may be overlapping of the groups. So I will have this group first 1 2 and ruling this. So another group is quad. This is another quad. So these are the groups for the for solving these equations. So here very simple. I will have common B here, B and B. So I will write B and this B, and at the top this is we can write C bar is the common here. Which one? C bar is the common here. So this is B common and C bar is the common. So Y is equal to B C bar plus. Now we are considering here this B is the common. Once again this B is the common. This B is the common. So B I will write, and from here to here which one is common here? D bar here and D bar here. So I will write D bar. So this is very simple prime location prime equations, and therefore we can build up the circuit using this fundamental product. So here this is a product, again this is the product. So we will have AND gate for this, and these products are added. So addition is there. So for addition we will have the OR group OR gate. So this is the AND gate. This is also the AND gate for two products. This I will B is the common here. B is common here. So B, C and D. So three inputs are there. So I will which one is common? B is common. So I will write B here. Now C bar is there. So I will introduce a NOT gate, and we have C here, and again we have to introduce the NOT gate for D. So here what will the C bar here, and this is B. So C bar B, and here B D bar, B D bar. Now this product is added with the help of this OR gate, and therefore Y is equal to C bar B plus B D bar. So this is an logical circuit using this K-map. So we will have in the next lecture K-map for half adder. Thank you.